Last class we have learned properties of whole numbers. Then today we solve some problems based on these properties. Then first question, look exercise 2.2. It's the first question. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Then first question, yeah. Exercise 2.2. 837 plus 208 plus 363. Then find the sum of these three numbers. We can find its sum by add this three number. Look here, how many numbers are given? Three numbers are given. Then we can add, we will get its answer. But this number, one more time we can rearrange. Then we can get its answer, we can find its answer very easy. Then, so here we use properties. Which property we use? Do you know? Here we use associative property. In associative property, what is associative property? We can add three or more than number will come. We can add the number in any way. Here look, this 837 plus 208 plus 363. This number one more time we rearrange by associative property. Here look, first 837. Then plus. Next I write second number note, I write third number. Look, 363. Then I add first this two number. So this number write in bracket. Then plus next which number? 208. Is it clear? First I write first number, then after I write last number. Then this first and last number add first, so I write inside the bracket. This number write inside the bracket. Bracket will come, first we solve inside the bracket. Then plus 208. Is it clear? Then next we add this numbers. Look, 837, 363. Look, 0, 0. What is answer? 1200. Its answer is 1200. Look, I write 1200 plus 208. Look, this number we can find its answer very easy. Look, here ones and tens plus which number? 0, 0. 0, 0 will come. We can add the number easy. So what is its answer? 1400. Its answer is 1400. Which property we use here? By associative property. By associative property we find its answer. Look, is it clear? Then next one more question, you can find its answer yourself. The next second question, look, find the product by suitable rearrangement. The next we find out sum of the numbers. The next second question, look, here find the product. Product means which operation? Multiplication. Then first question, look, 2 into 1768. Then next second question, 2 into 1768 into 50. What is the question? Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Here also we use associative property. Then Look, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3 numbers. Then we can multiply these numbers. First multiply 1768, then after 50. Then this is very difficult. So we can use simple method by using of property. Look, first we can rearrange this one number one more time. Then I write this, look, first I write 2, first number. Then after I write this last number. Look, first I multiply this 2 numbers, so write bracket. Then multiply next which 1768. Is it clear? Then next the given number rearranged one more time. Then next we know 52s are which number? 52s are 100. Then 100 multiply 1768. Then one after how many 0? 2 0. So what is its answer? You write this number. Second number which number? 1768. After how many 0 you write? 2 0. Is it clear? Then any difficult question is there? Look. It's the last question also, you look here. It's a second question, last one. F 125 multiply 48 into 25. Then question number F 125 multiply 40. One 125 multiply 40, then 8 into 25. Here look, how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So these numbers we can rearrange one more time. Then how to rearrange? Look, which numbers we write first? I write, look here, 125 multiply 8. This number I write in bracket. Then after next number, which number not write here? 40 into which number? 25. Then now check all the number. Write in the bracket all the numbers are here. Look, 125, then 8, 40 and 25. Then first I look solve inside the bracket. These two, look, 4 numbers we write inside. So look, 125 into 8, which number? 125 into 8 is equal to 8 5s are 40, 0. Then carry 4. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 8 1s are 80, 8 plus 2, 10. Then its answer 125 multiply 8. What is its answer? 1000. Then multiply. Then 40 multiply 25. So we know 25 4s are 100. Then 1 0 balance. So this also you write it with this number. Then now 40 multiply 25 which number? 1000. Then 1000 into 1000 which number? You write 1 right and how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you write 6 0 also. Then what is its answer? 10 lakh. Is it clear? Then next, find the value of the following. Question number 3, find the value of the following. Here also we use which property? Associative property. Then next, find the value of the following. Question number 3. It's the first A. First question, look, 297 multiply 17 plus 297 multiply 3. How many numbers here? 4 numbers. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here we can multiply this number and this two number and this two product. First we find out product of this number and product of this number. Then this product we add, we get its answer. But here we use property, we can find out its answer very easy. Then look here. Here which number is common number? Look, 2 times common number. Here look, 297 and 297 is common of these two. Is it clear? 297 and 297. This 297 we write outside of the bracket. Look, 297 we write outside. And inside of the bracket, then remaining which number here? Here remaining number 297 multiply 17. So remaining number here 17. Then after which sign? Plus. Then 297 into 3. Here we already write 297 is as a common number. Then remaining left, which number is left here? The number 3 is left. So this 3 we write. Then this numbers 17 and 3 we write inside the bracket. Is it clear? Which property this? Then by multiplication over distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then next, which number outside 297? Inside 70 plus 3. Which operation here? Plus. So first we solve inside the bracket. Then 297. Then inside the bracket, look, 17 plus 2 which number? 20. So remove the bracket, then write 20. Then look, 297 multiply 20. Then is equal to, what is answer? 2 sevens are 40, carry 1. 2 nines are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then look, here 1 0 balance. So this 0 also write. What is its answer? 5940. Is it clear? Then next, here we use distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then next, one more question. Look, question number C. Look, 81,265 multiply 169 minus 81,265 multiply 69. Here which one is the common number here? Which number is common? Here we can write outside which number? 81,263, and inside we can write what is which numbers are left there? 169. Then which sign will come? Minus and 69. Is it clear? Then minus will come. This place minus will come. We write which sign? Minus sign. Then after we minus means here Minus what is its answer? Here 14 will come. Then 14 multiply this number. Then same as this third question you can do yourself. Then last question number D, look. Question number D. Third. $3,845 multiply 5 into 782 plus 769 multiply 25 into 280. Look how many numbers are here. Total 6 numbers. Then first we multiply this number and this also find the product of these numbers and add, we will get answer. But the one easy method, here we use distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then look here, which number, any common number is here? No, common number is not here. So you look here, first we can multiply this number. 5 into 5, 20. 25. Then 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Carry 2. Then 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. Carry 4. Then 8 5s are, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 90. Then multiply 782. Then which number? Plus. Then look, 769 multiply 25. Look, multiplication 45 carry 4. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4, 34 carry 3. Then 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 3, 38. Then 2 9s are 18 carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 3, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Then 5, 2, 2, 9, 1. Do you get the same number? Multiply these two numbers. Look, 19,225. Then multiply 280. First listen here. First we multiply these two numbers. We get 19,225. Then after these two numbers, 769 multiply 25, we get that is same number here. Look, 19,225. Then now you look at this. Now here look, any common number? Here look, this 19,225 and 19,225 common number. So this common number we can write outside the bracket. Then balance 782 plus 280 we write inside the bracket. Then solve these numbers. What is the answer? 19,225 multiply 782 plus 218. What is its answer? Its answer is 1000. So, what is the answer? 19,225. Then after how many 0? 3 0. How to read? Look, 1 crore 92 lakh 25,000. Is it clear? Then next, Fourth question, find the product using suitable properties. Fourth question, yeah. What is for question number 738 into 103. 738 multiply 103. How to solve? Here also we can directly multiply this number, we will get its answer. But we can use here properties. Which properties? Here we use distributive property of multiplication over addition. Then this 738 multiply 103. Look, it's the second number 103. This number we can split of two number. How to split this number? What is its expanded form? We write its expanded form. Look, 738 multiply. Can you say its expanded form? 100 plus 3 is equal to which number? 103. So this number we split into two number. 100 plus 3. Is it clear? This number we split and write means we write its expanded form here. Then next, outside 738. This outside number multiply by this. First multiply first number and then multiply second number. Means which here we use A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is property. Then look here, first 738 multiply which number? 100. Then plus then 738 into 3. Is it clear? This is 738 multiply 103. First we write 730 as a common number and 103 we write its expanded form. Then after